Hey y'all, it is your girl Tiggy and I am back with another video. This one is a little bit different. It is about iPhone. They did come out with a new jailbreak and I did jailbreak my iPhone 10. I'm literally obsessed with it. So I just kind of wanted to come do a couple videos for you guys. And the first one today will be some essentials. So after installing your Cydia, you're definitely going to want to start theming and things like that. But you're going to need a couple of things that I would definitely highly suggest. So when going into Cydia, the first thing that I usually get is eye cleaner. Now, you do not need a source for this. Eye cleaner will come up for you, and this is who I got it from. So the reason why you want eye cleaner is because sometimes when you download different things, even like off the internet and or when you're downloading things on Cydia and you're theming and you're having a great time, you will get some files that you don't really need. Eye cleaner will help you clean that up. And sometimes when you have difficulty setting a theme, like if an icon doesn't theme properly, if you run eye cleaner, that will help clean it up so that it does theme properly. So that's definitely something that I definitely grab first. Another thing that I also get is Fileza. Fileza, of course, you do not need a source for that either. If you just go in and type Fileza, you'll get Fileza File Manager, and the way you know it's the right one, it will have a little black icon on it as well. So you definitely want to go ahead and snag that. Fileza, you'll definitely need that because that is how you're going to add your themes into Anemone, as well as if you start doing widgets. As you can see at the top of my screen, I have a Friday widget. You will definitely need that if you get widgets from people who create them. Another thing that I would definitely suggest is getting semi-restore. Now, hopefully no one will need this, but if you do, this is so that if something happens, you can restore your phone without hooking it up to iTunes and having an update and basically never being able to jailbreak again. So, if you go into Cydia and type in semi-restore, this is the one that you're going to need. It will tell you that it is compatible with your device up here. The thing that you see at the bottom for me that says works, broken, info, or hide is a different tweak that I have, especially because sometimes this is more so by the people. So let's say you guys, I'm on 11.4 beta 3, and let's say you have an issue, then this will help you better the list so that you're able to say it's broken, it's not working on your iOS, and then people can kind of go off of that. Another thing, if you're on beta, it should be on here. Let's go. If you're on beta, sorry guys. If you're on beta, there's something else that you will definitely need as well that I have installed, which is no beta alert, which is this one right here. You'll definitely need to snag that. This is from Parrot Geek, so I will grab the source for you guys now. It is this one right here. That is the source you will need for that, so you don't get that annoying pop-up that says you're on a different iOS, you need to update and things like that. That's what stops the pop-up. Let's see. Another one that I have is Cert Time. Now, Cert Time isn't showing for me. I'm not too sure why, because I did read Jailbreak, but the jailbreak that I have is from the Ignition website, and that one is good for a year, so I don't really need Cert Time. If you guys are using Cydia Impactor to upload your jailbreak, aka Electra, onto your phone, then you'll definitely want Cert Time, because every 7 days you'll need to go ahead and re-add this. However, if you have a Cert Time, it's just a lot easier for you to keep track. You can check on that whenever you want, and it'll tell you like 5 days left, 4 days left, so you can go ahead and get that fixed. Another tweak that I use is Crash Reporter. This is a must. Whenever you have a jailbreak, things just aren't official. So because of that, there's certain tweaks that you'll download that will crash your phone, and you'll have to consistently respring. If you have Crash Reporter on your phone, it'll tell you what's crashing and you can go ahead and uninstall it. So if you just go in and search Crash Reporter, it'll come up. And this is another one. I believe you do not need the source for this. As soon as you type it in, fresh you know, fresh putting your jailbreak on, it will come up for you and you can go ahead and download that, and that's very useful for you as well. Another thing that I downloaded, which again I don't really need because my jailbreak lasts for a year, is the extender tweak. What this does is it automatically signs your jailbreak. So if you're using Impactor to load it, instead of every 7 days go ahead and reinstalling it, this tweak will go ahead and do it for you. So if you guys want a video of how this actually works, just please let me know and I'll definitely get that out for you guys. But yes, this is my first video of some essentials that I like to use for my jailbreak before theming and just going all out with different things. So I hope you guys have a blessed day. Please drop the comments below and any suggestions. I definitely will be coming out with another video. All right, love you guys. See you, Style Squad.